Okay, so we only dealt with second order differential equation in previous videos. How about if you have higher order differential equation? Well, let's look at an example. So we have a differential equation here, third order differential equation, and let's not focus about factorizing. Let's say the auxiliary equation is this. Well, you should be able to write the auxiliary equation, but let's say the roots are -1, 2 and 5. So the fundamental set of solution is e to the negative x, e to the 2x and e to the 5x. Good. Now that is the only difference. Okay, so it's just you write the fundamental set of solution for the higher order and the rest is same, but always we can learn something. Let's look at this. 2x cubed e to the x plus 4 e to the negative x. Now what do we do here? Well, if we look at this gx, let's write the initial guess for the particular solution. So we have a cubic function time exponential function. So the cubic function is written ax cubed plus bx square plus cx plus d, right? Yes, times e to the x. Plus now we use the superposition approach, right? Constant times e to the negative x. So d e times e to the negative x. So this is my initial guess. Good. Now do we have an overlap? E to the negative x, yes, we have an overlap, but e to the 2x and e to the 5x is not here. So how do we handle the overlap of e to the negative x? This is the offended party, right? We just multiply the offended party by a x. So just multiply e by a x, so it's e to the x. Do not multiply the whole thing, okay? Unless the whole thing is offended, unless the whole thing is overlapped. So this is the guess for the particular solution. So it's really the same process, okay? It's just you have more functions on the fundamental set of solution. Okay, let's look at one more example because we can of course learn something new. So here we have a fourth order differential equation and they have given the fundamental set of solution as cosine x, sine x, x cosine x, x sine x. Okay, all right. And the right hand side is gx is cosine x plus 3 sine 2x. Okay, how do you write the initial guess? Well, the initial guess would be a cosine x. This is for this cosine x part, right? A cosine x plus b sine x plus here for sine 2x plus part c sine 2x plus d cosine 2x, right? Okay, that's the initial guess. Now do we have an overlap? Well, cosine x overlap, sine x overlap. X cosine x, no, so there's no, you don't have x cosine x here, so we do not have overlap in these parts, right? Okay, so these are the two offended parties, so we multiply them by x. So ax cosine x plus bx sine x, don't multiply these by x, c sine 2x, they are just not offended, d cosine 2x. Okay, now again check for overlap. X cosine x, yes, we have an overlap, x cosine x, x sine x overlap. So we have two offended parties again. Now what we do? We multiply it by another x. So ax square cosine x plus bx square sine x plus c sine 2x plus d cosine 2x. Okay, now again check for overlap. X square x square cosine x, no, x square sine x, no, sine 2x was not there, cosine 2x was not there. So this is the final guess. Okay, so this is the final guess for the particular solution. Okay, because we do not have an overlap here with the fundamental set of solution. Okay then, yeah, thank you very much.